This is a second-hand Nikon D70 camera which has been modified to take infrared photographs. Details in the description. Camera sensors are normally fitted with a filter to block IR while letting visible light through, but here it has been replaced with one which does the opposite. Vegetation comes out nearly white while the sky is dark brown, which is an interesting effect. If that is unsuitable, one approach is to convert the picture to black and white. Alternatively, the standard advice is to swap the red and blue channels in the computer. Unfortunately, I use Photoshop Elements, which doesn't appear to have that facility. Instead, I use another method which seems to give similar results. First, duplicate the image on a new layer. Then invert the copy. Change the layer blending mode to hue. This leaves black and white unchanged but juggles colours to give plausible results. At this point, I flatten the layers and use an AI program to denoise the sky and sharpen everything else. It's a subtle effect which you probably won't be able to see unless you have your nose pressed up against the screen. Finally, I increase the saturation, then adjust the brightness levels. The auto setting gives good results. Here are some more pictures.